Hey everyone, in this video we're doing an opening of LOL Mini Sweets vending machine. We opened up 3 in the past. I opened up 2 Crayola LOL surprise dolls, but they were the same color. I gave one away. And I got the yellow themed one, and the other LOL surprise doll that I opened was the Hershey Kiss. I never opened one of these before, and I'm kind of hoping that I get the dots because I've seen it online and it looks really cute. Also, if you notice, I'm doing a different camera angle because the main focus is dolls. So let's get on to the opening. This comes with 8+ surprises. I am curious of which one that we're gonna get. And again, I really hope we get the dots theme doll. Let's see. Having a little trouble opening the plastic on this one. There we go. Okay. Put all the garbage on this side. So, I guess this is the doll right here. Maybe. Bunch of tape. Okay. So, I wonder which one we're gonna get. I made it to the core. Hallelujah. Okay, anyway. So, the first thing we have is the dress. This is tape 2. I need a scissors. Hopefully. Oh, okay. We have the Haribo Peaches themed. I don't know if you can see that. And then next, we have the accessory, what they hold in their hand. We have the cup. I wonder what this is. We have I don't know what this is. Oh, the fanny pack. That's what that looks like. We have I don't know what this is actually, but it's red. Try and open it. Is this the shoes? This is really hard to open. Okay, we have one shoe, and this might be the other shoe. this is the other shoe. This is not cooperating with me. Cooperate? Yeah, that's it. Yes, we have the other shoe. Time to get all the plastic stuff out of the way. And now it's time for the doll. Is there something else in here? No. It's just the inner part. Okay. Now it's time for the doll. Ready? It's so cute. Now I'm gonna put on her dress. Wish these things were a bit easier to put on. Last time I did this with the Crayola one, her head popped off. So I'm not gonna let that happen again. Okay, this is not working. Okay, I got the dress on, barely. I don't know how that the fanny pack stays on. It's very sparkly, I noticed. Okay. I got her shoes on. I still don't know what this red piece is. But here's her little cup. Let's put it in her hand. Okay. This is what she looks like. And yeah, like I said before, I have the yellow LOL Crayola doll, surprise doll, and I have the Hershey Kiss. Hopefully next time I do this, I don't know when, but I really, really want the dots theme doll. And that's about it. Oh, there's a list. Oh wait, it's not gonna stay up. Let's consult the list. Yeah, the dots is this one right here. She's pretty cute. And I noticed that the fruit shoes, which is right here, looks pretty cute too. Oh wait, there's another dots theme, I think, which is this one. This one is the one I seen online that I really wanted. And let's see the one that I unboxed. The one that I unboxed is actually a popular one. And the one that I really want is ultra rare, the mini one that I seen online. So that will probably be hard to find. Like and subscribe for new videos, and I'll catch you next video. Bye!